Commander Alien Voss had become more than a ghost. He was now a timekeeper, a wanderer caught between forgotten timelines and the pull of cosmic truth. The Eye of Stellar had marked him, and now the universe began to respond. It started with whispers in his ship's radio, strange bursts of static shaped like ancient Ioni symbols. Then echoes of himself, messages he never recorded. The deeper he traveled, the more the line blurred between what was real and what was erased. One day, above the frozen planet of the Los Prime, a wormhole opened, a smooth spiral of silver light with no beginning and no end. It wasn't a natural phenomenon. It was a call. Aurelian passed through. On the other side he found a city of light suspended in time. Aurelian, the lost capital of the Ioni, hidden in a moment untouched by decay. Buildings floated on invisible tides. Trees shimmered like memories. Time here stood still, a moment stretched forever. In the center stood a temple of mirrors, and at its heart, a throne, empty. Suddenly figures appeared. Tall, graceful beings with eyes like stars and voices like wind. Ioni. You are late, one said without speaking. The Eye chose you to restore balance. But others seek to wield it. They showed him visions of the Eridan, a faction of exiled Ioni who had survived the collapse of their kind. Twisted by time, they now aim to use the Eye to reshape all history, to crown themselves as gods across infinite timelines. Aurelian was not chosen to rule. He was chosen to protect time. The Ioni handed him a relic, a glowing compass with 5 spinning needles, each pointing to a different lost timeline. You must find the anchors, they said. Without them, time will unravel. The first anchor was buried in a dying star, swallowed by its own light. The second lay in the ruins of Caris, an underwater moon full of dreams. The third, hidden in a black comet, cursed to never stop flying. The fourth, Earth but not his Earth, a version where dinosaurs never went extinct. And the fifth? It was still hidden inside Aurelian himself. One by one he chased the anchors, racing against time and the Eridan. He battled living gravity fields and danced through memory storms. On Caris he met dream beings who spoke in riddles. On the Black Comet he nearly lost himself to echoes of what could have been. And all the while the Eye pulsed stronger. In the final chase, the Eridan caught up to him above a shattered world of mirrors. They demanded the Eye. They offered him a chance to rewrite Earth, bring back the year that was lost. Aurelian hesitated. But in that pause he saw the truth. If he rewrote the year, he would erase every soul who had grown from its loss. Time, once tampered with, never breaks clean. He refused. The Eye flared. The anchors aligned. And the timeline, though scarred, healed. Aurelian faded. Aurelian awoke aboard a quiet ship, drifting in real time. No whispers. No symbols. No Ioni. But in his hand, the compass still spun. And in the stars above, tales began to stir again. They say the timekeeper still watches. That sometimes when a timeline phrase or a year slips away, a ship appears, ghostly and silent, like a legend come alive. And always a single question follows. Who protects the forgotten? The stars answer. The one who remembers the year that never was.
Hey there. If you're enjoying the story so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting adventures.